And there's some cucumbers. This is Birkin and Marley. And 2 pekin ducks. These guys are only 17 days old so far. They should be fully grown in 6 weeks. Quack 1 and Quack 2, Birkin and Marley. Chill out. I'll get a taste of my hand. First of all, you're being a big bully, and if I pick you up, you start freaking out. So I like to hold them like this. I normally don't act up, it's just the first initial when you pick them up, they try to run off. But you could see, they're pretty chill, pretty big birds. I think Birkin's about 6-7 pounds. And you could... Okay, let me get out of here. Okay, I'm sorry. That's Alvin, guys. But Alvin is a girl. Living in our backyard. I want to say 2 years now. And off she goes to her hole.